Well, a whole winter not working out here. I blew out of here last fall without really even having time to clean things up. Just finished building just finished assembling the Rikon bandsaw. This place is a mess. So I got to clean up today. All kinds of stuff leaning against the back wall. On top of my table saw, I've got some cardboard, the tools from putting the Rikon together. I've got some wood from a bench I took apart. Various things piled up over there, including my planes. Wood leaning back here, lights up there. Over here, this bench, which is kind of a catch-all, is just piled up with everything on it, my clamp racks. And then over here, I've got all of the packaging from the Rikon. And over on my main sort of work area over here, I've got all kinds of stuff piled up that I have been taking in and out of the house over the winter, working on the recovery from the flood down in my electronics shop. And just kind of take those tools in there, work on things, and bring them back out here and just pile them up here. And there was already a whole bunch of guitar working stuff piled up here. Another thing that I said in the Rikon unboxing and assembly video, that I'm going to actually take down this part of the shelf here. And everything that's here, kind of my guitar parts, things I'm currently working on and stuff, will go over here. So I'm getting rid of this. The main reason I'm cutting that half away, and I'll probably get rid of this bench as well, is I have these two wood rack kits from Lee Valley. So my plan is to put the, probably move my clamp rack, put the wood racks up here. There are 4 shelves. So I want to put those there, leaving enough room to slide the Rikon in over here, and probably my drill press stand as well in over here. So they'll be there out of my way when I'm not using them. I want to get that back area cleared so I can push the table saw back there when I'm not using it, which is was my original intention. Usually the bandsaw just stays here and I kind of use it as a work surface as well, but I don't want to keep doing that. So I'm going to keep this one. I use this one as an additional work surface a lot, plus an outfeed table for my planer and my table saw. Just want to make some more room in here. So time for some spring cleaning. And it's definitely spring. We've got one neighbor getting their driveway jackhammered out. There are mowers and leaf blowers going everywhere. And somebody just had a big load of dirt delivered. So I'm listening to a lot of shoveling and grunting. So definitely spring. Well, not the most inspiring video today, but at least I've got things sort of not so cluttery out here, and I'll be able to do some work in here soon. Nice weather's here. Actually, we're going to apparently have an early May heat wave. It's going to be in the plus 30s over the next week, so that will be interesting. But really glad to have the shop opened up and ready to go for another season of wood shop building. I will be not doing exclusively wood shop this year, kind of like I did with the GGBO build last year. I'll be mixing it up. I'll be doing some stuff in the studio, maybe some electronics work, some woodwork out here. Definitely going to finish the GGBO guitar. Like I say, this isn't the most exciting video. That's why it's just a middle of the week shop update. I just wanted to do an update on what's going on in the wood shop and how things are shaping up for this year. So, like always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Check my band, One Soul Thrust. The links are below. And until the next video, we'll see you.